I'm Mark Levine, licensed independent chemical dependency counselor, life coach, and founder of Minds at Peace LLC. Ever hear the phrase, meet them where they are? Well, if you're a counselor or a therapist, I know you have. But what if you're a family member with a loved one in addiction? How does that phrase make you feel? Angry? Irritated? Frustrated? Do you feel like saying, I'm tired of meeting them where they are, it's not working? Okay, please, take a breath. The problem is not the phrase. The problem is your expectations and how you're operationalizing it. First, pretend you called for an Uber to take you to the airport. Totally reasonable request. The driver calls you from the airport and says, I'm here. And you say, hey, you're supposed to pick me up at my house. Driver says, I know you wanted to be at the airport, so here I am. That would be an example of meeting someone where you want them to be, not where they are. If all you ever say is rehab, and your loved one is terrified of going to rehab for reasons you may not understand, you might as well just hang out at the airport all day. Oh, and by the way, saying rehab louder, crying, yelling, and ultimatums is unlikely to make a difference. Meeting someone where they are means understanding why they are drinking or using. Without this understanding of the perceived benefits from your loved one's point of view, you won't ever have a meaningful conversation. Might your loved one benefit from going to rehab? Maybe. Might benefit from starting with harm reduction or outpatient treatment, but you'll never know if they are at home and you're always at the airport. I get it. You're really tired and frustrated, maybe at your wit's end. So try a different approach. I've been trained in the Invitation to Change model. It combines science with compassion for proven results. So if what you're doing isn't working, let me know if you'd like to learn more. And until next time, be good to you.